My KZ project bike is underway. I haven't made as much progress as I was hoping to in a week, though I have made some progress, and that progress comes more in the form of tearing down some pieces for powder coating. I did get a hold of my powder coater that worked on my bike last time, and I'm going to drop off a pile of parts, front end parts. My steering stem, that's going to be one of the things that goes, and my brake components for the front. And what else am I sending? I think I'm going to send my headlight bucket. Normally I like it chrome, but this one's already black. I think maybe I'll see what it looks like in powder coated black. Maybe we'll keep that. And this front master cylinder is just an extra one I had. This is not the one that came with the bike. The one that came with the bike is this one, and it's not in good shape. I've sprayed silicroyl in there, and I'm letting it soak for a few days, and I keep waiting for those screws to bust free, but they're in there good, and I don't know if they're ever coming out. But we will give it a try again in a couple of days. Let's see. My caps for the front forks have come out pretty good. I left this one dirty just to show how nice it comes out compared to the one that I just polished up with some Meguiar's Ultimate Black. And this stuff works really good. So I've used it there. And on my bike, this right here, it looked like that before. And I used that Meguiar's stuff on there, and I was able to get it looking like that. A little tough to see. I don't have enough light in there, but it looks pretty much like new. So one of the other things I got done is I got my front forks rebuilt. I put new seals in it and new dust cover. I've polished it. Well, both of them, they're both done. And I didn't go like mirror finish. I didn't really want to go that in depth on it. I just want it to be clean. So this is wire wheel to get that clear coat off of there, and any of the fork oil that was all over. I cleaned it off with some denatured alcohol, and then I got to wire wheeling it and polishing it, and I'm pretty happy with that. This fork tube had some rust and some little condition issues I thought might be an issue, but I put that on the wire wheel, and it's not really pitted too bad, so it's gonna work out just fine. So that's kind of all I got done. I got both my forks polished. I got my brake stuff, my front end stuff taken apart. It's ready to go for powder coating, and I called the guy about my rear rim that I was getting laced up, and he said that's ready to go. So I'm gonna go pick that up Monday, and it'll be here. I'm not ready to put that on, but what I am gonna do right now is I'm gonna get that tire off of that rim, and I'm gonna try and get that taken apart so that I can see if I can get it into that vapor blast cabinet and clean out that hub and those spokes. So that's really all the progress I've made. Work has kind of been in the way. I did take this banjo bolt, and I got it looking pretty okay. Because it used to look more like that. And in fact, that's exactly how it looked. And I thought it was garbage. I may keep it. I may polish them all up and see if I can't just reuse them. They're a little pricey, especially if you're buying them stainless steel. Wire wheel and polishing wheel That's all it takes. A little time. Alright, well, that's it. It's just a little update on progress, and hopefully I have more progress by next week. Alright, well, check back.